Before I start this vlog, my name is Lawrence Bermudo, taking Bachelor of Science in Accountancy here at Naga College Foundation. This is a 4-year course that is intended to be CPA or Certified Public Accountants that focuses on the principle of accounting and also finance. There's so many memes going around about accountancy in social media, just like in the introduction. But why is it though? According to the Rappler.com, Bachelor of Science in Accountancy is known as one of the most difficult board exam here in the Philippines. With the latest CPALE exams on May 2024, the national passing rate in the Philippines is 30.28%. Gain in-demand skills and open doors to exciting career opportunities. Our Bachelor of Science in Accountancy here at Naga College Foundation is a program that provides you, the student, with the knowledge and expertise to excel in accounting, finance, and beyond.